Are the pores already from ZBrush. As you can tell, you get the details, but the details are a little bit blurred by default. And the reason why is because ZBrush only can export with a max resolution of 8K. That's why it's very important to keep the XYZ maps that you exported into a 16K, because originally you purchased these maps on a 16K resolution, which is great because the details are quite sharp. So once we're kind of happy with this, what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to I'm going to store it. I'm going to grab just a small area here, and I'm going to set my blue channel to 1. So we're going to get sharper details now. And now the skin details, as you can see, they start just getting just sharper. If I compare this render with the previous render, you're going to notice a very small difference, but this is enough to keep sharpness on your skin, literally in Arnold. So once you're happy with all these values, just keep playing with those. The next thing that I would like to do, just to keep all this skin setup simple, we're going to plug already the roughness and also the specular map that we created previously. So I'm going to unpin this tab, and I'm going to get my roughness map. So I'm going to just load it here. So if I know wrong, it should be somewhere here. I'm going to plug my roughness map. Make sure that your roughness map is set to raw, and very important, active alpha is luminance, otherwise it won't work. And then under specular map, we're going to plug this RGB map that we created here. So we're going to go here. And in this case, you can just leave it as it is. Something that can be interesting is that you have different presets for the EIOR. So you can just set to skin, which naturally is going to get a slightly higher value. And now this stage, you have full control over your skin. Not only you have pure details, but you also can play with your roughness map mostly to get even sharper details by using that specular break. So I'm just going to quickly stop the render, and you're going to notice already the difference from the displacement from the ZBrush that we created and the displacement that we enhanced in Maya. You can tell how the sharpness just got more vibrant already on the final render.